Today we're going to be talking about how to find mental health healing by understanding musical chords and chord progressions. Chords are a collection of two or more notes. This is not a chord, but this is a chord. This is also a chord. Anytime that you play two or more notes, it's a chord. When we put chords together like this, it's called a chord progression. Chord progressions allow us to feel emotions with music. So I'm going to show you some chord progressions that relate to specific emotions. This is an easy chord progression that I typically use to help me feel peace in the morning. Why does this chord progression make us feel peace? I'm so glad you asked. There's actually a reason for this. Whenever you have a chord progression that has notes that stay the same, hence these two notes over there, it creates a feeling of sustainability. It's sustaining the same notes, and as a result, it feels like we're not moving very quickly. That can stimulate a feeling of peace, because typically when we're in a feeling of peace, it feels like everything good is staying the same finally in our lives. So I hope that this little chord progression here helps you feel a little bit more peace in your life.